Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to make an interactive program, or you can also call it a very simple app in just Python by using only Turtle library. So let me show what it does. It makes a smiley wherever you click. You can see like this. I'm clicking anywhere random on the screen. You can see any corner, anywhere. It will make a smiley. So let me explain this to you. First, we will import the turtle library as always, as we want to use the turtle functions. Then we will store the turtle.pen function into a variable named t. I don't want my animation to be very slow, so I have set the speed to 0. Then I want to hide my turtle as I don't want to show it, so I will use t.hideTurtle function which hides the turtle and it's not visible. Then I want my background to be black, so I will write turtle.bg color black as always. Then I'm using the def function here. The def function is also known as define. So this whole code, as you can see here, will be made into a function named draw smiley, which you can use in this program and other programs also. So you can use it anywhere you want. Then we will start, and there will be two parameters here, x and y. So in this, first the turtle will pick the pen up, so I will use turtle.penup function. Then we will set pause to x and y, so that can be anywhere on the screen. Like I showed you that I can click anywhere, so x and y would be wrong, so there should be x and y. Then we will put the pen down by t.pen to start drawing. It's just a comment in this red that this is how we will make the face. So to make the face, we will take the pen color yellow, as you know smileys are mostly in yellow color, and we will use the fill color function. So anything I draw would be filled with the color yellow as stated here. You can also use any other color. Then we will start begin fill, so anything it draws would be filled with the yellow color over here. Then I want my circle to be about 50 pixels in radius, so I have used 50 here. You can also do it 100 or 25 if you want small, or even bigger or smaller. Then we will end fill. Then how to draw the left eye. So wherever the user will click, we will minus 15 from the x-axis, and on y we will go further 60 points or 60 pixels to make the left eye, so it would be around the left corner of the circle. We will use the t.fill color again, and I want the eye to be blue in color. You can change this to black, red or anything, but I want it blue, so I will set the color to blue as here. Then I will begin my fill. Then I want my circle to be very small because it's the eye, so I will use only 10 pixels as radius. If you had made a smaller emoji, you can use smaller like 5 or 2 even. If you have made a bigger emoji, you can use 20, 30 or as you want. Then I will end the fill. Then this is how we will make the right eye. Then we will set the position to x plus 15 this time because I want it to the right. The x-axis is about here and the y-axis is about here. So the right side would be here. So it would be plus x about here, and y plus 60 as we want it to be at the same height. Then the fill color is already blue. We need not to change it because the both heights should be of the same color. If you want another color, you can write the t.fill color function again and choose any color you want. Then t.set pause, I have explained that to you. Then we will begin the fill. Then I want my eyes to be equal and small, so I have chosen 10 again. Then we will end the fill. Then this code will help us to make the mouth. To make the mouth, we will set the position to minus 25 on the x-axis and plus 40 on the y-axis. So it would start from about here. Then the t.pen color black. I want my pen color to be black. You can choose any other thing. Then to make a smile, I want the smile to be thick, and I do not want to complicate it by using t.fill color. So I will just set the width to 10. So it would be a very thick line. Then we will use the goTo function. It is almost same as setPause. You can use setPause also. Then go x minus 10 and y plus 20. So somewhere about here, if we started from here, then we will go to x plus 10, because the x line is here. We will go on the right side or the positive side and the same height. So y would be positive 20 again. Then we will go to x plus 25, so more to the right, and plus 40 and more height. So if we started here, we went here in the second line, then about here in the third, and here in the fourth. Then we will set the t dot width to 1 again. So if we will draw it in a loop, so it would not look bad, like the lines would be thick. Then to make it interactive, we need to just add one simple line of code. The turtle dot on screen click draw smiley. I have named draw smiley. You can name it anything that you want, but if you name it like A, just an example, if you name this A, you need to write A here also. Now let's run it once again. Wow, you can see wherever I click, it makes a smiley. And these are all same. You can see if I compare to like this, these are equally same in height, width, everything. We can draw almost infinite circles with this program. There is no limit how many times you can click. You can see this. So play with it as much as you like. Change some things in it, change the colors, sizes, etc. and make it your own. Bye for today. Wait till my next video and please subscribe my channel. Bye.